So, I have with Mr. Curry, P 1053762, count 1 reckless driving, count 2 failure to signal, count 3 open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. I have a recommendation from the city that in exchange for a plea is charged on count 3 and responsible to count 2, the people would dismiss count 1 and also P 1053845, counts 1, 2, and 3, those are civil infractions. No receipt of or unsigned registration, no proof of insurance, failure to use seatbelt. And also P 1053931, violation of the basic speed law and dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. And good morning, Ms. Soroki.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Puri. I had the opportunity to discuss this recommendation with my client. He's prepared to waive his rights and enter a plea.
Mr. Puri, you understand if I accept your pleas today, you're giving up the right to the trial, either by judge or jury?
Yes.
Understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything to make you plead today that I do not know about?
No.
Anyone threaten you in any way?
No.
Do you recall, sir, being in the area of Gratiot and Concord Street in the city of Detroit on or about January 9th of 2020?
Yes.
And you were operating a motor vehicle that day, is that correct?
Yes.
And what did you have in your possession that causes you to plead guilty?
I had open alcohol in my trunk of my passenger car.
You satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And did you change lanes without signaling?
I wasn't sure of that, but yes.
Okay. So I'm going to accept the defendant's plea to count 3 as charged and his plea of responsible to count 2 and dismiss count 1.
So she was offering him impeding.
Yes, Your Honor, but failed to.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I did see that. So I'm going to accept his plea on count 2 to blockade.
Thank you.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P 70303. And one of the reasons some of the other misdemeanors and tickets were dismissed is the officer did not have a true recollection of what happened at the stop. Not true, but a vague memory of what happened at the stop, as this occurred about a year ago.
So I accepted his plea to blockading and as charged count 3. And he is gonna get 2 points on the open alcohol driver, I believe.
That's correct, Your Honor.
So on the blockading, it's $175. And on the open alcohol, $235. Does he have that money today? Mr. Puri?
I couldn't hear you. Can you say it a little louder, please?
Okay, so on the blockading, the charge is $175. And on the open alcohol is $235. And I dismissed everything else. Do you have that money today?
No, can you give me a little time for it right now? Because it's kind of a hard time right now.
How long?
Um,
Can you pay by February 18th?
Can I make this like some payment arrangements or a plan or something? Because I don't want to guarantee the whole thing and I miss a payment and we be back to here.
So you should pay the blockading charge first, because this is civil infraction. I am adjourning them both. If
Okay.
you need more time on the open alcohol, you need to come back and see me on February 18th for more time.
February 8th. Okay, that's February 18th. Now, would I do another Zoom meeting just like I'm doing now?
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, that's correct.
Okay, I can do that. You said that's February 18th, right?
Right. I prefer that you pay by then. All right.
Okay. I will try my best to ability. I will try it.
Okay. So all the others are dismissed, and when you pay, you can go to our website, 36thdistrictcourt.org. When you open it up on the web page, it's going to say, I want to, and one of the first things is make a payment. Or are you familiar with DivDat kiosks?
Yes, I kind of have the paperwork that you had mailed me with the Zoom and everything, and they say the pay. It's all right here. So.
Okay. So if you have cash, you can pay with cash at the DivDat kiosk. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions, or can I end the call?
I think that's it, ma'am.
Okay. Have a good day. Take care.
You do the same. Thank you.
Okay. So Officer Watley, we can excuse, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So Officer Watley, I just finished with Mr. Curry, and thank you for coming back. I'm gonna end our call, okay?
Thank you, officer.
Thank you,
Okay.
officer.
No problem.
Be safe. Bye-bye. And now, I'm gonna